talent search coming is back.
Right now, he's probably slow dancing with a bleach blonde tramp, and she's probably getting pissed. Right now, he's probably buying her some food, a little drink, 'cause she can't shoot a whiskey. Right now, he's probably up behind the with a full stick, showing her how to shoot a combo. I don't like hearing to the sound of these twin little tunes that four-wheel drive. Call my name into his little seats. I took the Louisville stuff and both headlights. Slashed the horn and I'm not tired. Maybe next time I think before we reach you. Right now, she's probably up singing some white trash version of Shania karaoke. Right now, she's probably saying I'm drunk. I need to thinking that he's gonna get lucky. Right now, he's probably taking all $3 worth of that bathroom polo. Oh, and he don't know that I don't like hearing to the sound of these thin little tunes of four-wheel drive. Caught my name into his leather seats. I took a Louisville slug with a both headlights. Slashed the horn and I'm not tired. Maybe next time I think before we reach you. Somebody said that I'm looking from an ex-girl. Because the next time that we cheat, oh, you know it won't be on me. No, not on me. 'Cause I don't like hearing to the sound of these twin little tunes that four-wheel drive. Caught my name into his leather seats. I took a Louisville slug with a both headlights. Slashed the horn and I'm not tired. Maybe next time you'll think before he cheats. Oh, maybe next time you'll think before he
Oh, well done, Tia. Kelly, what do you think of Tia's performance?
Oh, that was the perfect song for you. You were such a sassy little girl, and you need such a lot of sass to sing that, and you pulled that off amazing. I think it showed off your range because we don't get to hear you really low in your lower range, and that really showed that off. It was beautiful. And on the chorus, your voice sounded different to how I've heard it sound before. I can't put my finger on it, but it was still, you had this really mature sort of deep sound, and I liked that. I really did. And I thought it was still powerful, even though you know you've got the power when you belt. You were still powerful in the choruses as well, so you retained that your power in that big voice. It was a really big song. You smashed it.
All right, sorry, Cal.
That's all right. She with me.
So,
Yeah, performance-wise, you absolutely smashed that, like Hel just said. No, you are a sassy little girl, so that song was perfect for you. You give it all the sass it needed and more, walking around the mic stand, everything. I absolutely loved that. Again, like Hel said, it was nice to hear you use the lower part of your range. Just make sure you're fully supporting them notes after like you've been up there. Sometimes it's hard to like come back down and fully support it. But I think you know that anyway. I've never heard you do like a country song before either, like it's not really you, so well done for pushing yourself out of your comfort zone, and it worked well in your favour, I think, because it did suit you. Yeah, well done, babe.
Just out of pure curiosity, how old are you?
I'm 12.
You're 12? Wow. Dear, give her a round of applause, please. I can't actually stress how amazing it is for a person to be like this good at 12, and I hope you realise this is, you know, a big deal, trust me. Everything from your vocal range to that sass pizzazz you got to get through that song, it all came natural to you. You completely owned that song. And considering that is such a mature song, you nailed it. It's fantastic. If this is what you are able to do at 12 years old, I shudder for when you were like Joey's age. Good luck. Applaud, please. Thank you.
See, you don't laugh. Well, I was just about to disagree with the girls, because the girls said you're like a sassy little girl. You're definitely not a little girl, because you boss me around like you're my mother. So you're not a little girl, you're a diva. You know? This is the girl who wants to take my businesses, man. You know? So, no, Tia, let's be serious now. In terms of... Don't say that again. In terms of... no, that really doesn't make me feel old. I feel sick. I'm not that old. Cal, don't now. Right, no, serious now, because this is in Tia's video, man. Right, sorry, Tia. Anyway, Tia, no. In serious now, look, this, I got some goods and some bad. The first thing is, right, I just want to say, we are seeing you develop, alright, and that's all I need to be saying. Secondly, it is a song that I've heard overdone, and if I hear it, I'd like to see something that I haven't seen before, and I didn't see much change in it. Having said that, it's still, for you, as a 12-year-old singer, shows me and the crowd that you are very, very talented for a 12-year-old. So well done to that, but don't forget now, from here on out, don't be frightened to push your limits, because everything's coming out slowly in front of us. So you're on the right path. That's all I need to see. But
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.